I tell you, so much going on right now and will be going on overnight and really throughout the day tomorrow. Just kind of depends on where you live for what you're going to see. Everyone has a risk of landslides and mudslides now through the end of the month, by the way. And with these strong wind gusts, down trees, down power lines, spotty power outages, absolutely possible. Our blizzard warning goes into effect here in the next few hours, 2 a.m. until noon, not just because of the heavy snow and high winds, but to issue a blizzard warning, there has to be a specific criteria, which means whiteout conditions for a prolonged period of time. You will not be able to see anything in front of you for at least a couple of hours. As we take a look at our wind gusts right now, at the moment, not too bad. Seattle has had a wind gust of 40 miles per hour and Hoquiam 35 in the past hour. As we take a look, though, 11:30, 12 o'clock tonight, those winds will be cranking along the coast and in the northern interior, especially. Everett could have wind gusts of 40, 45 miles per hour. And then as we go into tomorrow afternoon and evening, a lot of those winds funnel into higher elevations in the mountains. We'll take a look at that coming up, plus more on these flood warnings still going on across the area in just a few minutes.